Sure thing, here's where to look for jobs in South Africa, step by step. Job searching in South Africa starts with recognizing your own industry. If you're in tech, you won't find many openings at the neighborhood job board, but if you're in construction, you might. Industry matters. LinkedIn is king. Most mid to senior level roles show up here first. Create a sharp profile. About 80% of recruiters admit to reviewing candidates' LinkedIn profiles before advancing them. Skip this, and you're leaving money on the table. Glassdoor is another player. Not only does it list jobs, but it also gives you insight into companies. Salary ranges, employee reviews, and interview experiences. This is intel you don't get anywhere else. Use it. For entry-level jobs, try JobMail and PNet. South Africa has a mix of legacy sites and startups competing for attention. These two dominate for generalist positions like retail, customer service, and admin work. Don't sleep on Gumtree. It's often overlooked because it feels like Craigslist, but it's full of job postings for manual labor and part-time gigs. It's rough to navigate, but the hidden gems are there, in piles. Recruitment agencies can be saviors if you're stuck. The trick: tailor your CV for a specific job group before sending it in. They'll either love you for that or ignore you completely. Simplified options are not what they want. Networking is key in South Africa. More than 50% of job seekers mention word-of-mouth referrals as their path to employment. Start conversations, go to events, and put some effort into accidental coffee meetups. The government's Expanded Public Works Program, EPWP, isn't glamorous, but is practical. It's designed for short-term employment and on-the-job training in public works. Visit local municipal offices for updates. Freelancing is massive if you're in the creative or IT sectors. Sites like No Sweat and Outsourcely cater specifically to locals. Internationally, Upwork and Fiverr are still solid. Dollars translate nicely to rands anyway. Campus career centers often connect fresh graduates to internships, while sites like Careers24 spotlight job types exclusive to South African graduates. Even if it's been years since you graduated, it's worth revisiting your alma mater. Startups are booming in Cape Town. Many don't list on giant platforms. Follow them directly through local Facebook job groups, Twitter, and their career pages. It's less formal, sure, but quicker than waiting for updates. And the classic? Walk-ins still work in industries like hospitality. Polished CV in hand, show up and offer to chat. A smile and good timing can beat an entire stack of online submissions. Some rules don't change.